Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine. My name is Khushbu and I welcome you back on this virtual platform. Basically, this story is of a young man and turtle. This young man is very kind and helpful as he helped turtle also from those children who were teasing the turtle. And turtle invited him to the wonderful palace. So, let's see whether the man accepted the invitation or not. The young man was surprised to hear that the turtle can speak. See, we were also surprised now, like how the turtle can speak. Similarly, the man was also surprised at how turtle is speaking. As soon as the young man got onto the back of the turtle, he was taken to a secret palace deep inside the sea. So, young man accepted the invitation. That's why he stepped onto his back and he was taken to a secret palace. There he saw a secret palace. That in a sea there can be any place like a secret palace. Now underline secret and write unknown. Secret, as it was unknown to anyone. No one knows that there can be anything deep inside the sea. And palace, we already know that is castle. We have already written it earlier. When they arrived at the palace, he was very surprised to see that the turtle is the king. He looked around and said to the turtle, "What a lovely place!" See, the meaning of arrived is already written here, that is came. You can also note it down in your rough notebook so that it will be easy for you to learn later on. OMG! This story is full of surprises. See, now we have been surprised by seeing that the turtle is the king. We have already heard about that lion, the king of the jungle. But first time we are hearing that turtle can be the king of a palace deep inside the sea. So yes, it can happen also in our fantasy world. Man was also surprised to see the palace there, and he has never imagined that any place can be there deep inside the sea, and it was a very lovely and beautiful place that he couldn't stop him, and he said, "What a lovely place!" The palace was very beautiful as the king of turtles held a feast for him. Feast means it is already given here, a large or special meal especially for a lot of people and to celebrate something. You can also note these words and their meanings in your rough notebook so that you can learn it easily later on. See, the turtle has organized a party for the man, as the man saved his life from those children who were teasing him. Okay, so he has a great feast, or we can say party also, because generally large or special meal we are having at the time of parties, right? The young man met many people and creatures. He had never attended such a wonderful feast. Underline creatures and write living organisms. As you might have seen in some movies or cartoons that there are some creatures which are neither humans nor animals, but they are living beings. So we call them creatures. Everyone gave him a warm welcome and he was also satisfied with everything. Means everyone welcomed him happily and the people were also very satisfied with him. Satisfied here means was very pleased. We can also say was very happy, as pleased means happy. He thought that there was not any place nicer than that one. He said to the turtle, "I am glad to have met you." So glad means happy. I expect you already know that the meaning of glad is happy. So the man thought that this place was very beautiful and he has not visited any place like that ever before on land or anywhere. But he visited that place deep inside the sea. Yes, so he thanked the turtle. That turtle invited him to that place. When it was time to leave, the turtle said, "I am giving you 2 boxes, but you can open only one. You must not open both of the boxes. Don't forget." See, the palace was deep inside the sea and the man visited there for some time. So he have to come back to the land because the man cannot live there forever. So when it was time to leave from that place, the man was about to come back. The turtle gave him 2 boxes. But there was one condition, that the man should open only 1 box. Why the turtle kept that condition? Why he said that he must open only 1 box? He can only give 1 box of gift. Why he is giving 2 boxes and saying to open only 1? Alright, I will open only 1 box, the young man promised. A large crowd of creatures gathered there to say goodbye to the man. He thanked everyone and went back to his land. So underline crowd and write group. Basically, we say a large crowd of people means a large group of people. But here it is a large crowd, or we can say group of creatures who were there in the palace. Now underline gathered and write collected. As they were all together to say goodbye to the man, so they were collected at one place. Now he came back to his land and he got 2 boxes of gift from turtle. But whether he will be able to keep his promise and open only 1 box, or he will open 2. So for that you have to wait till tomorrow. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Don't forget to mention your name, class and section for your attendance. Have a nice day.